Arts Productions, and this is the longest manual on the Space Scooter by a brand I don't know. Longest manual in my front yard. Take a look. Didn't turn out well, but seriously, I made it like that's 20 feet. I made it across grass, so, and that's not like frozen grass. That's just grass. So, thank you for watching. More winter videos in November, and for the rest through March, coming soon. Thank you. Arts Productions. This is, I believe, number 2 of my winter and November videos, and I have a whole tricked out area. Get a shot of that. There's a jump over there, a jump over there, made with a real tabletop. To the left is my speed hill that you may have seen in one of my other videos, or a few. And I'm gonna go off my tabletop, which actually has a little plastic tabletop under it. It's not the biggest, but you know, for front yard, skate or snow park, it's pretty fun. So, thank you for watching. That is my snow video. And wait, real quick, as you can see, there's actually black here. So, that is a real jump. Thank you for watching, and see ya.